Cheers. Okay, hey queens. Where are we?
We are in a hot spring in Lake Garda.
So true.
I actually don't know what part of Lake Garda we're in, but nope, it's beautiful, gorgeous, and this is the best day of my entire life.
And I am in my new suit that I'm matching with Kate from Aerie.
Woohoo!
Blue sparkle. And I was trying to float earlier, and then I was like, man, I'm really bad at floating. But we're about to go in this extra hot tub. Gabby, where's your fit from?
This is Cupshe from Amazon.
Slay.
And it's only a year old, but I'm so glad I bought it.
Yeah, you look amazing in it. Ashley, where's yours from?
This is Old Navy. Yep. On sale. Got it in clearance for $8.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, let's go into the hot spring.
Yep, we're gonna go into the hot.
Oh my God.
Is it like a massage? It's better than a massage. You really gotta get in it.
It's pushing me.
Well, you got it.
Get in there. You gotta hold strong.
I'm trying.
Use your core. Use your core, babe.
It's like pushing my bathing suit off. Embrace. You gonna go in?
Yeah.
So true. How do you feel?
Amazing.
Tell the vlog.
I feel like a baby that was just born into a new world. I am
You're in the womb.
Relaxed.
In the womb where it happens?
Yeah.
Where are we?
We're in Pompeii.
And if you close your eyes. If we get far back enough, you'll be able to see Mount Vesuvius. Not a heart. We got lost. We have to go get our train to go to the Amalfi Coast.
Yes, ma'am.
Slay. Everything here is cool though. Oh, a bird. Hello, sir. I really want to be able to see the mountain. We're in the train station in Pompeii. And low-key, Pompeii is really gross. But we just saw the ruins. It was cool. Was it cool?
Yeah.
We spent about an hour. They say you probably need 2. And we also didn't have a guide, so we were just like doing what we wanted. Okay.
Also, I barely learned what the body postures casts are.
We didn't get to see a plaster cast. We looked everywhere, but they were doing construction around all the close ones, which sucks. But now we're waiting for our train to Sorrento, which is not coming till 12:01. So we're waiting for a while. Okay. We made it onto the train.
But Sam almost wanted to talk to the person at the register, and I'm like, no, let's zoom in. So we didn't scan anything.
Well, it's because our whole group that was on the train before with us, that the train got canceled. Yeah, that we saw the frat bros and the blonde girl, and they were walking to this train, so we walked to this train because it got fixed as soon as we got off, which is stupid. Thanks though. Anyways, hopefully we're on our way to Sorrento now. Yeah, it is hot today. Tomorrow, I'm not wearing pants.
Tomorrow, I'm just gonna wear a tube top.
Only? No pants.
Shut up. I'm wearing my sheets. I wish I had like linen pants.
You could probably buy a pair in Sorrento today.
That's so smart. I will drop not a lot of euros, but I will drop some euros on.
I will drop €1. Anyways, see you when we're in Sorrento.
Outside and push and shoving. You're in the kitchen humming.
Yeah.
So we're at the castle. One of them. And we wanted to sit up here, but it's really tall, and I didn't know how to sit up here without literally falling to my death, so.
So what if it's literally so gorgeous.
Yeah, he's tired of you.
No, I think he's just tired.
He's a cat, of course he's tired. Hello, vlog. We're at lunch. We just moved Airbnbs. Hi. And this afternoon we're going to vinitaly.
Hello, vlog. Say hi, guys. Say hi to the vlog.
Cheers! We're at vinitaly. Ashley is already sleepy, and her drink tastes like pool water. It tastes exactly like pool water. It's actually not a joke. I think I'm the only one that likes mine.
Yeah. We got these breadsticks.
Yeah, they gave them for free because they don't want people to be drunk and stumbling.
I'll show you one. Oh, I broke it.
Here, grab one. Oh yeah, delish. And she dropped one on the ground also. Unfortunately. Gabby, do you have anything to say to the vlog? No? No? Okay.
Ashley's here joining us.
Yeah, she's joining us from Madrid.
But we'll show you 1 second.
Yep.
This is what we're looking at. We're just sitting and chilling. This is a vinitaly booth. You can't really see. Anyways, I'm drinking this. It's like chai tea, blood orange, vodka and lime, and it is so good. Tastes like wassail, but cold. Ashley, what was yours supposed to be?
It's limoncello, prosecco, and some like ginger beer. It sounded really good. It tastes a little less good.
She's barely drank any of hers.
It tastes like clean.
This is how much of mine I drank.
Cool water vibes.
Ashley, do you want to review your drink for the vlog?
I will give this a -2 out of 10. Very fruity. I can even say it tastes so much like grapefruit. They can have it back.
Too much grapefruit. Gabby?
Mine was the Capri Spritz. I would give it probably a 7 out of 10. I think it would use a little bit more lemon jello. But I'm already this much and I'm feeling really good.
Look at Ashley's. She doesn't like hers.
Girl, you shouldn't have that because you said like
It was right on the money. I can't even lie to you.
we took your spot.
That's okay. I'll live.
You're done.
You're done. Ashley, show us your new bag.
University of Verona.
And we also got
I'm exchange
teeny bikinis
teeny weeny polka dot.
from like the Italian brandy Melville. The highest size they have is a US 6
Yeah,
or a medium, and it was so small.
that's all I have to say.
Okay,
Show them the flag.
Italia. Chin chin. Okay, say bye.
I'm recording.
Throw the ice on the ground.
Yes, I am. Are you ready?
I have it recording. Yeah.
Bye. I told you to do it.
There's no tongs. You use a glove. That's so weird. These are almonds. She wants them.
Gabriella. What's this? Licorice?
Yeah.
This is so Percy Jackson. I think she's getting nervous.
I would never be nervous.
We're paparazziing her.
I don't think I've ever been drunk with you before.
Really? The first night.
The first night.
The first night. The first night you said we're gonna drink this whole bottle. up here. He was sitting down there. It was the putting the condom in his mouth for me and blowing a balloon out of it. His friend grabbing it and blowing a balloon.
Not gonna ask me if I know Chapo. I'm sorry, my skin's showing.
And then they were shocked because Gabby understands Italian. And they were like, "Tu capisco?"